She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and just make some simple and easy crispy onion rings with an awesome blossom dipping sauce. Today's recipe, this is definitely simple, guys. It only takes a few ingredients here. We do have, of course, a sweet onion, in this case a Vidalia onion, some breadcrumbs, egg, milk, salt, pepper, paprika, some baking powder, and some flour. And together, all these ingredients are going to bring us a wonderful and flavorful crispy onion ring. So if you guys are ready for this, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Million thoughts are spinning around in my head. My pulse holds it down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on it, but I won't let you know. And I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. It's too bad you had to leave. Please come back now, baby. Where were we? Such a change in a life. Got the memories still popping up. Show me your heart, I'll show you mine. You go first, I rewind. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderful. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love you most of all. Million thoughts are flying from my head. Let's kiss them away and stay in my bed. Just to know that you are mine, I am floating on it. And I wanna let this show, but I know how this goes. It's supposed to feel incredible. We had changed, but not that much. Guess our memories are catching up. You're my soul, my heart, my beautiful. You're my first, my last, my wonderful. And I just can't seem to get enough. It's because I love you most of all. We have changed, but not that much. I guess our memories are catching up. Come on.
You guys, so these are the crispy onion rings with the awesome blossom dipping sauce. So every bite you could definitely taste that wonderful delicious onion as well as that crispy coating that we have with the Panko breadcrumbs. Then also with the awesome blossom dipping sauce. It kind of reminds me of a sauce that you might get at a steakhouse when you get the bloomin' onion or that type of appetizer. It's definitely something that goes well with the onion, so give it a try, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy today's delicious quick recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.